Want to transfer funds seamlessly between your Coins.Ph and Gcash accounts? Let's jump right into it. First, open your Coins.Ph app and make sure you're logged in. Look for the Cash Out option on the main dashboard. It's usually located near the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. Now you will see a list of options. Scroll until you find Gcash and select it. This page needs accurate details. Enter the amount you want to transfer from Coins.Ph to your Gcash account. Below that, carefully enter the Gcash mobile number you want to send the money to. Double-check to make sure you enter the correct number. Review all the details on this confirmation screen. Pay close attention to the amount, the Gcash number, and any applicable fees. If everything looks correct, slide or tap the Confirm button. You should receive a notification confirming that the transfer was successful. A transaction ID will also be displayed. Open your Gcash app and check your balance to confirm the money has been credited. It should reflect the amount you transferred from Coins.Ph. Enjoy your money, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.